Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So just picking up from my last video, and we were telling you that the DC5 wasn't going just the way it should be. We've got a little bit further with the DC5. We sent the Honda away to Michael at Type 2. The Honda that Ryan had in his car was, which we didn't realise, for an EP3. So we sent it to Michael at Type 2, who changed the K-Pro from the EP3 Honda and he put it into the DC5 ECU. So as you know, the car wasn't running just as well as it should have been, and it was misfiring and that noggin. Well, the noggin has gone, which is great, like I showed you in the last video. We plugged the ECU back in, the one which Michael sent us back, which was the DC5 original ECU. Now, like I said, it's got the K-Pro in it. The car starts and the car is driving, it's VTEC and it's doing everything it should be doing, but it's a bit funny on idle. But it's not too bad, it's nowhere near as bad as it was. So we are obviously getting closer to the problem, and I think we really are quite close to it. So today I really wanted to go out and clean my headlights. They're a bit dull and discoloured, and that's really what I wanted to do. It's pouring down outside and Ryan's car isn't even ready to go outside, so we're sort of stuck at the minute. So I'll just tell you what we've been doing for the past couple of days. So what we'd done was we stripped out the boot of the DC5. Ryan wanted to take his coilovers out because one of them was knocking, so he took them out and retightened them because they were starting to get a wee bit loose, and just got them back to how they should be. What I do want to show you is the space saver which was in the boot. It's the original space saver, and oh my god, it's so cool. So look at it, and he's cleaned up like, but I don't even think it's been used. So Ryan got a fuel rail cover, so he got this really nice carbon fibre one. Yeah, it looks really nice with the Tigiwa carbon intake. His rocker cover definitely needs painted, but as you know, we've been having a bit of trouble with the engine, so that is probably next on the list as well. Like I say, I think we're closer to finding the problem on the DC5. I do think the carbon looks really smart, and yeah, I'm a bit jealous. I didn't get one for myself. Maybe he'll buy me one. Oh, and Ryan got this Hyro Racing sticker when we were in Mondello, and yeah, I wish I could show you. I'll try and go outside if the rain stops with the bonnet down and stuff. It does look kind of cool. The weather today is so bad, but do you know what? The Audi looks so cool when it's wet. There you go. Ryan's putting his coilover back in. There you go. So we're just putting the rear plastic cloth carpet thing back on. So we got the back all put together. So we were about to put Ryan's wheels back onto his car, and we decided we would clean the back and use the Caramic AUTO FINESSE kit, which contains the ceramic coating for wheels, which I used in one of my other videos. So we're just going to do them now while we've got them, and hopefully it will bring them up a little bit. I did them not that long ago with I'm even not sure what I did them with, but I cleaned them up anyway. And yeah, we're just going to do them now and tie them up a bit, and then we'll get them back in the car and hopefully get the car out of the garage. So they're a wee bit dirty at the back, and obviously not going to get all that dirt off, but take most of it off anyway, and then we will do the front of them. We got the full AUTO FINESSE Caramics car protection kit, so it's got, what's in it? Paintwork, glass, wheels and the interior. So we'll do the wheels today. I've already done wheels in one of my other videos, so if you haven't watched that, go and check it out. So what I'm using is Sam's Detail and Exterior Detail just to take the dirt off. I got this when we were at Dubshed, and I don't really know what it smells like. I don't know, I'm going to find out what the smell is, but it's really nice. As you can see, it stopped raining, so maybe get something done on the EP3. had to come in because it was raining. We will finish the video tomorrow and we will get the wheels on the DC5 and maybe get it out we drive just to make sure everything's okay. So guys, Ryan has done the wheels and he also done the windows with the protection kit which was in the ceramics kit. I didn't help him this morning, he did it all on his own, and the car is back on the 4 wheels and it's ready to go. We're going to take it out tonight and see how we get on. Hopefully it will keep going, but yeah, it sounds fine, it's driving fine, so we're just going to have to go and see what happens. So we are going to the Cars and Coffee meet tonight, which is not that far from us. There might be cars there might not be that many cars there, I don't know, but that will be in next week's video. We are nearly at 1,000 subscribers, we are on like 830-ish at the minute, so hopefully next week we can do our giveaway. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. This has just been a really short video and it's just really an update of how we have been getting on, and yeah, we haven't done much this week. We've been trying to get the engine sorted, but there was so much stuff we were doing, I thought I didn't want to bore you with all that sort of stuff. But yeah, I will video tonight and see how the car gets on and let you know of any updates with the car or if anything happens with the car. Touch wood it doesn't. So Ryan has the car back down on the 4 wheels which we cleaned, and we used the ceramic wheel protection on it. Like I was saying, he's got his new sticker and yeah, I think it looks quite good. Here's hoping that we can actually drive it tonight and nothing happens. But yeah, he gave it a wax and a polish and I don't really know what else. He done the windows with the ceramics glass protection kit. It's such a nice day today. I wish it was as nice yesterday. Hopefully the weather stays nice for tonight. There might be a good crowd about. So I suppose that concludes this video, and if you like this sort of content, please give me a like and a wee comment below. It really does help me out to know that I'm doing what you guys are enjoying. But as always guys, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.